Right now, more than a dozen vaccine trials are underway across the world. Overall, more than 150 vaccines are in development. Now, the company Moderna just released new data on its vaccine that's in stage 3 of the trials. Pfizer is working on a vaccine, and staff say they hope to get emergency authorization from the FDA sometime this month. And AstraZeneca researchers are testing their vaccine on people, but that trial was put on hold after some patients reported adverse side effects. Now, once the vaccine is finalized, the challenge becomes getting hundreds of millions of doses out to you. NewsNation correspondent Brian Enton is live in Florida to show us how groups are already preparing to transport a vaccine.
Marnie, it's interesting. We hear a lot about the development of a vaccine, but you don't hear much about how they will transport the vaccine. Think about it. It has to go to every corner of the country and all over the world. U.S. airports like where we are at Miami International and cargo airlines are getting ready. Airline passenger travel is down because of the pandemic, but industry leaders say cargo flights are about to get busier than ever once a COVID-19 vaccine is developed. Has the industry ever had to deal with anything on this scale?
It would be, again, a logistics challenge I think that the world hasn't seen before.
David Goldberg, the CEO of DHL Global Forwarding, says they're scaling up their operations to be ready for the challenge. According to DHL, they'll be able to load roughly 125 to 140,000 doses of the coronavirus vaccine on one 747, and about 8,000 airplanes will be needed to ship 1 billion doses. 42 COVID vaccines are undergoing clinical trials around the world, and it's still not known which state or country the approved vaccine will ultimately come from.
There's never been a pandemic in most of our lifetime anyway, and there's never been, one sort of vaccine that's needed by the whole world in one single time.
Shipping the vaccine is much more complicated than just moving it from point A to point B. The shipments have to be kept very, very cold, in some cases minus 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Pharma hub airports including Miami, Atlanta, Dallas, Chicago, and San Juan already have the infrastructure in place to handle the vaccine. Experts say cargo ships will also be used because of the sheer volume of vaccine that will need to be moved around the world.
That's why you're seeing the U.S. military be involved and other companies be involved in trying to figure out how they're going to get a vaccine that's developed into the arms of Americans, because if it doesn't get distributed well, it's of no use. We have to get it into people.
Cargo airlines like Miami-based Amerijet already transport vaccines for the flu and meningitis. From the moment the shipments come off their planes, they say all their ground handlers are trained how to handle vaccines and other pharmaceuticals.
But the important thing to understand is that this type of movement happens every day. So regular vaccines for every other disease in the world move like this. Our logistics supply chain is set up for it, and we can do it.
And another concern these cargo companies have is security. When the vaccine first comes out, it will be valuable and in demand, and they'll have to put new security protocols in place. Live in Miami, Brian Enton, NewsNation.